Hello people, I welcome you all onto my channel, The Perfect Pout Vlog. So today's video is not going to be about makeup. Today's video is going to be about skincare, which is quite interesting because in this scorching heat, when the temperature is rising like 45 degrees and our skin needs a little bit pampered. So today's video, we have got you some easy DIY face mask for different skin types. So first thing, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, which is The Perfect Pout. You can go ahead and follow me on Instagram also, which will help you to keep you updated with any kind of videos that I'm going to upload in the coming time. So let's get started with the first DIY face mask that we are going to do. So the first DIY face mask we are going to do is, so I've taken the tomato pulp along with 1 tablespoon of honey in this. I've mixed it up nicely, both of the ingredients. With this face pack brush, I am going to apply it on my cleansed face, which I've already cleansed with, you can go ahead and use a face wash before applying any face mask. So I'm taking this pulp and I'm nicely applying it all over my face, starting it from the center of my face. Nicely applied all over your face. Now tomato is very good in vitamins and minerals. Also it works as a natural bleach to your face. So people who are suffering with the, they don't want to apply a bleach which you get in the market, so you can easily apply a tomato pulp, which can help you lighten up your skin. And honey, we all know that honey works as a calming agent onto your skin. So if you have any kind of dryness or rashes, anything going on onto your skin, it will help you calm down your skin. So you can even apply it under your eye area, because we all have those dark circles even in the summers that we usually. So you need to apply it nicely. You can go ahead and apply the second layer once it gets dried up. It's going to be a little messy, but it's okay. It will help you nourish your skin. I'm just gonna give a good 10 minutes of this face mask. So until it's drying up, you can do whatever you can sip a green tea, you can go ahead and read a favorite book, or you can watch a TV series on Netflix. So I'm just giving 10 minutes of the time. So let's wait.